with the focus Kubeflow and probably a little bit of looking at the decommissioning PR, just because of the way how the CI cycles are, because I'm kind of lazy. Let's close some of these tabs really quickly. Oh, I hope I don't have to do that. Okay. I'm going to double check that this got started on YouTube because I don't trust things anymore. It looks like it did. That's great. Let's see if it got started on Twitch. Twitch. Cool. Looks like it's running on both. I'll check in on each for the comments as it's going. In theory, the chat system works again. We'll see if that's the case, if anyone wants to jump in. So let's go ahead and get started. This is the decom PR. I'm going to go ahead and jump over to the Kubeflow one, though. We'll start there. So pull requests, author, hold down. Okay. Close. Okay, there we go. What's the latest? Oh, it's still running. That's strange, but maybe we can go take a look at it. Oh. Well, it looks like the auto formatter is not super happy with us. So we can, at the very least, fix the formatting while we're waiting for CI to run. Oh, this doesn't look good. Oh. Yeah, okay. Okay. Oh, wait, these are all just... This is weird. Let's take a look at this raw build log.txt. Let's see if... okay. Here we go. So here we generate the Spark operator. That looked like it was fine. Now we apply the Spark operator. Oh. That's a little different than I expected. Okay. Apply. What? This is coming from util.py, line 62, accept, okay. Kubeflow, testing. There's no py, is there here? Okay, so that util.py is coming from the Kubeflow testing repo, which is separate and distinct. Anyways, that part worked. Well, okay. We can fix the formatting. There's an auto formatter somewhere around here. Don't remember where, mind you. Oh. Thought there was an auto formatter. Oh, I'm in Spark, that's why. Okay. Let's do a git pull because I'm working on this on different machines. auto format the JSON. Auto format JSON. Oh yeah, this is the KFCTL test one. Oh, interesting. So it is applying the Spark operator and it's working here. So that's kind of cool. Okay. Well, that's good, I guess. A little confused, although, actually, so if we go up here, this is the last Kubeflow pre-submit job. So this is when I tried running it in verbose. Let's take a look. Yeah, let's open it in Emacs. Downloads, build log, Spark. Huh, except yeah. So I want to get the logs from Argo, but so if we go here, deploy Kubeflow. Oh, pod not found. Interesting. Interesting. No, this one's maybe don't join common. Specify name. Maybe if I go here, we'll find something interesting. Okay, logs. Damn it. I think the logs are just gone at this point. Okay, well. Oh, hey! Hi, Wagner. Oh, cool. Yeah. So, I'm not super sure what's going on with this in CI right now. And it looks like the logs are all cleaned up because those pods are from a while ago. So, I guess we'll wait for this to run for a little bit. Oh, wait, no, but I had a theory. The theory was that I'd fucked up the namespace somehow. And that was from some logs that I saw a while ago. So I want to go and double check that part right now. So Kubeflow, Spark, namespace. Oh, these all look like reasonable namespaces. Okay, prototypes, Spark operator, namespace, optional param. Yeah, let's go take a look at the TF, or no, PyTorch job operator. Prototypes, PyTorch operator, namespace. So this is called deployment namespace. Here. Okay, well, let's go take a look. PyTorch operator namespace. Interesting. Huh. That's operator cluster role binding. So in the metadata up here, we don't set the namespace to anything. Oh wait, no, that's not the one. No, yeah, okay, no, we do set the namespace. Yeah, okay, no, we wouldn't set it for a cluster role binding. We do that for a role binding. Okay. Well, that idea, maybe less certain of it being a namespace issue then. That's unfortunate. Well, so much for that idea. Okay. Let's see. Normally, it doesn't take that long for CI. Okay. Well, while that CI is running, we're going to go look at another thing which is running through CI. Oh, god damn it, please. Okay, no, this is just an out-of-date version. I'd be really annoyed if it was just super out of date again. Cool. 19 hours ago. So this is from last night. Console output. I had a few drinks last night, so not like super sure. I was trying to debug this still. So pods ready was false. Pod empty was false. The pods. Okay. So we're gonna go here, back into Spark, do a git pull. Kubernetes suite. Pods. It's pods. Wait, what? What branch am I on? Oh, right, I went to master because I was doing the code reviews. That makes sense. Okay. Okay, so the pod's ready ones. What? Okay, the pods did not become ready. The resource conditions are pod condition. Last probe time null, last transition time, message null, reason null, status equals true, type equals pod scheduled. Yeah, okay. Let me double check pod scheduled versus ready. Versus ready. Okay, here we go. Yeah, so it wasn't. I guess it just timed out. So how about what we do is and so then we'll go down here. This will become pod running timeout. And 2 minutes. That's kind of long. It's just that doesn't. Alright, we'll do. Insert mode. Timeout. Like the pod should become running. I don't fucking. Yeah. What's the interval? The interval is 2 minutes. Oh no, 2 seconds. Yeah, okay. Well, let's give it 5 minutes. It's probably, I mean, it's a while. Hopefully the pod becomes ready within 5 minutes. Well, we'll see. Okay. Kubeflow pre-submit KFCTL in namespace. Like, okay, well, let's try running this locally, I guess. Unless there's like oh, got stack driver. Ooh. Okay. So there's some instructions over here, and it seems to imply that I can get the logs from stack driver, which would be super exciting because yeah, stack driver logs don't get cleaned up in the same way that pod logs do. So let's go ahead and make that happen. We're going to use auth user 0 though. Console. Okay, let's look at these directions. Okay, so K8s prow builds. So let's hope this gives me some logs. Damn it, I don't have permission. Weird. Okay, but we did make that. Wait. Okay, so I can't do that. What is gubernator? Okay, let's go back to the top of this and read the debugging failed tests. Debugging failed tests. Or let's go logs first. Okay. Logs from end-to-end tests are available in a number of places and can be used to troubleshoot test failures. Fuck yeah. Okay, prow. Yeah, so this is prow, but it's kind of... Oh, nice. Yay! Okay. Sorry. Excitement of a misplaced kind. Okay. January 6th. I don't know. Fuck. What day is today? Alexa, what day is today?
It's Monday, January 7th.
Okay. Let me take a look at the commit history here. I think probably this is the commit hash that we're going to be most interested in. So let's find that. Cool. If I click on this, do I get logs? Yeah, if I click here, I click here, I click logs. No. Okay. Not in the Argo UI. Build log. Expand skip lines. Okay, let's Spark dash operator. Yeah, this isn't looking great. I don't think it got the logs that I want. I want the logs of the pod. Okay. So, workflow ID. but I don't think I can access the stack driver logs, even though we did follow those directions. Don't have permissions to view these logs, I don't think. Yeah, okay. So I think, though, I should be in one of those groups based on... Oh. So I think I'm here. Yeah, I am here. CI-team. So why can I not access the logs? I only joined that team recently, though, so I'm gonna ask on the Kubeflow Slack to sync. I don't seem to have access to the stack driver logs there. I don't know. Yeah, this installed. Okay. So if we go to this one, the one was auto format JSON. So it's failing, but it's not. Okay, let's try and figure out what's failing here. This is a failure that we'll need to fix anyways. So Argo client, line 24, that tells me nothing. It says Kubeflow pre-submit KFCTL. It's entered phase error. Okay, yes. This is the pre-submit check, and it failed. Here we go, and the end-to-end test also failed. But how do I get the logs? I don't. Yeah, so this build log isn't super useful without being able to follow through somewhere else. Yes. Or, okay, so the part up here, stack driver logs by CI team or CI viewer. If we go down here, I am on the CI. I don't. Now let's take a look at the README file. Hey, oh, okay. Could someone with permission run sync groups .sh? Yeah, I'm definitely not the administrator. So okay, there we go. Yay, okay. So hopefully that'll give us access to those logs, because for now, yeah, it's not gonna work out so well. We can get the logs kind of in Argo if it finishes, but it looks like Argo's being weird, I think. Okay, that's the Spark one. It's fine. Where is the Kubeflow one though? Okay, close this. It's not this. Is it? Yeah, okay, this is Kubernetes. No, well, what about if we just screw with this URL? See if we can get the logs of the current run, which is, would presumably still have the pods around, but it might only get that after fact. Pull requests, author, Holden. Yeah, I need to make this thing smaller too, but I want to get it to work first. Okay. Go here. Kubeflow pre-submit. Probably this one's further. This one should be further along, so I'll go details. Oh, except. Huh. Okay, yeah, build. Weird. Oh, wait, can I filter through? Oh. That's a no. Oh. Well. What about if we go up here? There's a filter thing, right? Down at the, no, not here. Where's the filter? There was some filter. Huh. It's just the filter doesn't seem to exist. That's kind of a little bit confusing, but that's okay. Oh, okay, yeah, workflow is... Oh. Well, given that the hard drive light just turned solid, yeah, okay. Well, here's the workflows. Let's go back here. Go down to our current run. Okay, yep. I think it's going to be the end-to-end test is the one we're most interested in. So go ahead and grab this. Oh. Okay. Deploy Kubeflow. Logs. And one of the annoying things is like this log viewer is just really not great. That's really weird what's happening with the graphics. I should get a better video card. This is kind of trippy, like glitch hop. Okay, so here we go. Okay. Okay, apply default common Jupyter. Sure. Here we go. Now, okay, so service account, PyTorch operator, namespace, Kubeflow. Okay. Creating non-existent custom resource definition, pytorchjobs.kubeflow.org. Okay. Okay. So here we go. Updating service accounts default.spark operator -spark operator. So if we go look at the PyTorch one, fuck no. Okay, well, yeah, that's because it's making a cluster roll. Okay. Wait, but then it makes a cluster roll binding. Patch, PyTorch operator, cluster rolls, patch. Okay. That looks fine, I guess. pytorchjobs.kubeflow.org. Oh, right, that's what I wanted to look, because, okay, so wait for deployment. That's fine. So PyTorch dash operator. There's going to be a lot of those. Okay. Custom resource definition. Okay. So let's go take a look over here. I hate this view. Fucking JavaScript instead of a log file. Files are just fine. Anyways, okay. So here we go. So PyTorch operator. Creating non-existent deployments. Wait, what? What's it? Oh, okay. So just gonna grab all this. Okay, let's just... Please tell me that was copied somewhere. IBKK. Nope. Of course not. Okay, so Control C makes it do something weird. That's great. Okay, here we go. So, PyTorch-operator Kubeflow PyTorch operator. Okay, so then if we go up a bit, up above to the Spark operator. So updating deployment for default at Spark operator dash Spark operator. So I think, yeah, it's in the wrong namespace. Right? That seems like it's in the wrong namespace. Updating deployments for. God damn it, that Control C business again. It's don't do this to me. Okay. So I think here we go. Okay. Okay. Kubeflow dot. Kubeflow dot. Oh no. Okay, so default. So that's the thing. The namespace, I think, might be the part that's screwy. So if we go look at the PyTorch operator.libs.net. Okay. So that's the operator role. That's the operator role binding. So then, well, operator cluster role. Forget this. Gave it a deployment scope like the PyTorch operator. Role type. And then gave it a deployment scope here. Or did the same, that's 0% chance. Yeah, same thing here. Okay. So, and then role binding, same thing down here. Make it match so then we'll make this match. Kind is binding type. And this is role type. Namespace. Okay. And deployment scope is params.deployment scope. Okay. Okay. So then okay, I guess. Let's go. Yeah, okay, no. So it's only in the operator where we set the deployment scope. And we'll go over here. Oh no, that's not the one that I want. What we want is deployment scope, and it defaults to cluster though. So that's confusing. Okay. So I do have a local test script, and because CI is a little bit slow to get access to what I'm interested in. Well, let's go ahead. Okay. Yeah, let's test it locally first. Or yeah, let's do that. Let's see if this works. Cool. All dollars on net. Line 210. Okay. Fucking hell. Okay. Oh yeah, okay. Yeah, okay. PyTorch operator, libs on net, yep. Okay. And then deployment scope, okay. Cluster role. It's gonna take deployment scope and cluster role. Binding is gonna take a deployment scope. Okay. Alright. Cool. Run the test locally. See how this goes. Oh, super happy fun times. Looks like it's working. Oh. Oh, cool. Okay, that looks like it worked then. Add a deployment scope and give more things a... Wait, is that... So if deployment scope is namespace, then namespace... I'm confused. I'm gonna go back here and look at the PyTorch operator some more. Let's go find the CRD. Or PyTorch operator. It's a job, though. Well, replicas 1, template, metadata. Okay. probably stop adding the Spark operator to the end of all of the names. Still slightly confused here. Service account, operator role. I don't know. I'm still somewhat at a loss. Which really is not that surprising. But whatever, that'll be a while, I suppose. Well, so let's go back and look at those IDK ones. Oh, no. So there's default. That's weird though. So the deployment scope here hasn't been set to cluster, because if it, oh sorry, it's set to not cluster. Because if it was, we would expect to see like the dash dash namespace here, right? Inside of this part, but it's not. But it's I don't see. Oh. Creating non-existent deployment. Yeah, creating. So then create. spec container. Huh. My pod namespace in all caps does not seem like what it's meant to be. I don't know. Well, hopefully it'll run. We'll get some results and we'll see if it's that was the cause of the problem or not. Let's go take a look at the Spark one. Cool. Kubernetes integration test failure. Yeah. So maybe it's just not that it becomes ready? I don't, that would be weird. That's really weird. The resource conditions are now just not there. But the pod is still there. Huh. Waiting for pods to become okay, then delete. Okay. I have a theory. Java, thread, sleep. What's the unit? Okay, yeah, 2002 seconds. So we weren't waiting long enough, necessarily. So if the first condition to allow execution... and downstream check to also catch up. And downstream pod ready check to also catch up. So that's my theory, because the interval here is 2 seconds. And so if we delete the pod right away, then it is not going to go so good. Okay. So, does this make sense? Oh, yeah, no. Okay. Then this one we'll just wait 2 seconds, and also I'm gonna go ahead and swap this 2 seconds for 1 because I'm lazy. Yeah, so this should eventually do something. Yeah. Okay, it's possible to accept, like, an exception is getting thrown inside of here and it's getting swallowed. I don't know. Wouldn't really surprise me, to be honest. Do I have a... Cool. Just check that the test compile. Put it over in CI. Okay. Yep. Oh. What? That seems unrelated. I'm super confused. And also, like, that shouldn't have happened. Oh, fuck. That really doesn't... I don't... Whatever, if the rest of it compiles, we'll call it a party. Oh. Oh, I remember there was some interesting stuff about us depending on, like, a snapshot version of something. I could see that making this sad. Man, this computer's slow. I should buy that new computer, but I got kind of overwhelmed looking at computers. Maybe next month. Okay, didn't work. Launcher test and compile. I don't really care. It's not one of the ones we are overly concerned about. Okay. I think we might have had a race condition where the top thread deleted pods before the bottom thread could find them in a ready state. Cool. So we'll go ahead and we'll push that. Hopefully that'll do the trick and we won't have that race condition anymore. Oh, yeah. Oh, damn. Okay. Okay. What's this? This logo keeps confusing me and making me think of something else. Really nice if we got one of these two to pass, but I'm gonna do a hard stop at some point. So yeah, probably in like 15 minutes I'm gonna stop just because I got some stuff going on. No, that's the Spark one. I wanted the Kubeflow one, I think. I have too many tabs in what I'm sure every developer says. Pull requests, author, hold on. Okay, let's see. I don't want to think about how much time I spent trying to debug this. Okay, maybe. Okay, pending. Yeah, what? Oh, fudge. Forgot to... Auto... fucking... Oh, wrong. Oh. Cool. Cool. But in the meantime, we can go here. We're going to care about the end-to-end test. Yep. This is the workflow I care about. Go ahead, copy this over into Argo. Yeah, okay. And could be that the workflow isn't finished yet, which is why it's not showing it to us. Because the last time we got there when it was erroring, which makes oh. Still in the running phase. Okay. This is the workflow. Oh. What? That shouldn't have... That's... I should not have been able to do that. So I'm hoping that's unrelated. Looks like it's still not having a party. Okay. Wait, that's weird. Oh, wait. PyTorch operator. Oh. Okay. Operator cluster role. What is there? Custom resource definitions. So wait, updating deployments for default.spark operator. Updating deployments for Kubeflow.PyTorch operator. Wait, oh yeah, wait, no, down here. Do we have a namespace or anything like that? Configured, coordinating, job name, kubeconfig, argo build. Let's try namespace Kubeflow, yeah? Accept. Let's go take a look. Yeah. Namespace. String. No. Okay, so PyTorch. Namespace. Oh. Deployment namespace. Don't. Let's go take a look at, for example, here. Name. Space. Nope. Namespace. Namespace. Don't. Yeah, so namespace though. Job. The chief job operator is done somewhere else, isn't it? So the PyTorch one is the only one. Yeah. It's no, don't see it. Component namespace is set to default. Same for the default flags. Name PyTorch job namespace default. I don't Yeah, let's check this. It prints out which namespace we think we're waiting for it to start in, but well, let's run it in verbose mode for these two and take a look. Because I don't know what's going on. So maybe fuck. Okay, I gotta run in 5 minutes, maybe. Yeah. Well, I got a 3:30 call, so I think this is probably going to be a good stopping point for us, unless there's a new version of. Yeah. No, I think that's going to be it. Okay, so I'm kind of stuck, but I'll come back to this with a fresh cup of coffee, and maybe it'll make more sense. Thanks for joining me. I hope watching me fight with CI on 2 different systems was interesting. If not, whatever. I'm sorry. I'll do some more code reviews as usual. Probably have one this Friday morning for Spark stuff, and I might schedule some other stuff this week. Sort of depends how everything goes. I'm meeting my new boss tomorrow morning, and so I might have some new priorities from on high. But if I don't, I'll definitely try and do some more live streaming because I like writing code. Anyways, have a lovely day, y'all. See you around.